So now let's see how we can work around with sample and target effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around onto the file menu and then choose import right here. So once you go ahead and do that, I can go ahead and let's say, for example, select out an image around over here just like this. So once I go around and do that, I can go around under effects right here. And then what you can do is under adjustment, you can go around over here and you can see that sample and target is an option. So once you go around and do that, you can see that you can take sample of shadows, midtones, and highlights. So let's just go around and take the sample of the shadows, that is the dark area right here, and then I can choose a color for this. So dark area brown, you can go around and turn it into, let's say, for example, some other color like cyan color right here, just like this, or blue color right here, and you get that exact look. You can simply go around onto midtones as well and select out the midtone area, and then you can select a different color for that, and you get the Instagram like look as you can see right here. You can also go for highlights right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to select out the sky right here, and then you can go around and choose the highlight color as you want. So you can go around, make it a bit more yellow or make it a bit more pink right here, and so forth, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the sample and target effect. You can also go around and select just the reds right here, just like this, or you can just affect the greens right here or the blues as you want as well. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the sample and target effect to give the color look that you want inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe